Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular models, the Houseclean portable washing machine and the Nixod portable washing machine. Both are designed for convenience and portability, making them ideal for small spaces like apartments and dorms. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the Houseclean portable washing machine offers an 11-liter capacity, which is suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Nixod portable washing machine boasts a larger 15-liter capacity, allowing it to handle slightly bigger loads. This makes the Nixod a better option for those who need to wash more clothes at once. Both machines feature a spin-dry function, but they differ in effectiveness. The Houseclean's spin-dry function is basic and may not fully dry clothes, while the Nixod comes with an upgraded spin basket that enhances drying efficiency. If drying capability is important to you, the Nixod might be the better choice. Both washing machines are designed for portability, but they have distinct features. The Houseclean is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport. In contrast, the Nixod, while slightly larger, offers a more sophisticated design with durable materials. Both are suitable for travel, but your choice may depend on your specific needs for space and aesthetics. In conclusion, both the Houseclean and Nixod portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Houseclean is great for those who prioritize compactness and affordability, while the Nixod offers larger capacity and improved drying capabilities. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.